It's Trinity, and today we are going to be doing some slime challenges with Crunchy Slime. And I do have some guest stars, and I would like you to meet them. Let's get to it. But before we get to it, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment anything you want. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get to it. Hello, people.
Hello.
Okay, let's get to the obstacle store.
Yes.
Course, let's go. Also, let's give you their names. This is Greta. Okay, and then let's see. Misha. Let's give Misha. Come here, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Now, Brooke, why don't you come in? You know Brooke from the other video. She's from Waterloo. She hasn't.
This is my second.
That video hasn't been posted yet, but it will be posted. So our challenge is we get this slide, go over the obstacle course, and this is basically called the ranch. We have horseshoes. We have the horse. I don't know, the horse something, and then we have the horse, and we have the haystack, which is it's very wobbly. And we have to get on our knees and wobble it for 20 seconds.
Wait, can I just show everybody what can I go in there and
No, I want to show.
I want to show.
Okay, sorry. Okay, ready? Go. Be sure to eat donuts because don't worry. Be happy for this video.
Okay, so first, Brooke, go. Oh, Brooke, it's your turn.
Hey-ho, nigga-doo.
4, 5, 6. Okay. Now 20 seconds on the haystack. On me. Okay, get off.
Jojo, see, I love you.
Next time, horseshoes. Oh yeah, shout outs. We will
Jojo, see, I love you.
shout out to JoJo Siwa, and also shout out to Question Master. I love her videos. And also
Jojo.
Jojo,
Also,
I just love you so much.
Okay, stop.
I
Okay,
love
stop. You're embarrassing her. Okay. Next, also, guys, stop talking. Okay. Next, okay. Also, shout out to Question Master and Brian Hall because I love their videos. And, yeah. We'll show a video of Brian Hall because none of us know it but me. So, yeah.
And Jojo, see.
Yeah, so just go. Okay. Finish the
Am
range.
I blushing? I'm
Do
blushing.
horseshoe. Do horseshoe. I just noticed something. Do you have your slime?
Just say it.
Yeah, she has her slime. And we got a slime ball. Okay.
Done. Next turn.
Now it's my turn. I haven't gone yet.
Now I'm gonna tell.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Now,
What's your name?
Trinity's gonna go next. Here she goes.
Okay, I already spin around, but because she was in the way, but I did. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can sit too. We don't have to sit on our knees.
I play by the rules.
Someone's at the window.
Sorry, guys. That was my mom.
Okay. Next, please stop making the cat noises. They're annoying. Okay. Now I gotta go through horseshoes.
She's going through horseshoes, guys.
Made it.
She's done. Now it's time for Misha Burns.
Misha, let's go, Misha.
Misha Burns.
Move out. I remember arms like that. 1, Do you have your slime? Where's your slime? Oh, I guess you can carry him in. A tiny man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give it. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Please stop. Enough with the cat noises.
La-da-doo, la-da-doo,
I'm done.
la-da-doo. Okay, now it's time for Gerda's turn.
No, she's the judge, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, Greta, it's time for your judging. Please sit on, hold on, here's the bench chair. We gotta pull up the bench chair. Okay, now please, okay, this is where the witnesses sit, and then you're gonna be in the, no, you're gonna be,
Misha, sit.
you're gonna be walking back and forth in the camera, okay?
Misha, you have to sit down. Everybody scoot.
Misha, come on.
Scoot.
Sit down.
Scoot.
Misa, gonna sit down.
Okay, guys, stop. Focus.
Okay, I think the person who did the best was.
No, you have to say what our points was.
Okay. I'm going to give you points up to 10.
If it's good, it's 10. If it's bad, it's 5. No, if it's bad, it's 1. And if it's kind of good but kind of bad, it's 5.
No, it's everything in the middle.
10 to 1.
No, yes, 1 to 10. Okay, can I also say what you did the best on?
Yeah, you have to say what we did on the best one, and then we add them up. Add the numbers up.
I say you did the best on the horse thing.
Okay, but how much? So that's 10. But how much for this?
For this, if
1
you
or 5.
1 or 5, I would say
1 is bad. 5 is kind of good but kind of.
okay. So, so you got maybe a maybe a 7 on this one.
Okay.
You would get a 5 on this one. And I don't know what to give you on this one. I think I'm going to give you an 8.
She gave me a 5.
Okay, but then you have to tell them what they did on the horse.
Yes. So now on the horse, this guy. I just love showing his face. Sorry. See, this is the guy. This guy.
That's my horse.
Yes. It is.
Okay, Greta, they know.
Yes, the horse.
They know what a horse looks like.
Yeah. No, they don't. They don't. No, they don't know what a plush horse looks like. Okay, so on the horse,
It looks like a baby horse.
you got a 9 on the horse.
No, you already told. Oh.
On the horse. On Mr. Horsey. You got a 7. And you got a 5.
So, by my calculations,
She is rude.
I know,
by
that's
my
my
calculations, I got 16. You got.
She's so mean.
You got 12. And what was your numbers?
She got like a 7 and a 5. No, an 8 and
So-
a 5. Yeah, an 8 and a 5.
That would be. I'm the winner. You got 15. I was 16. And she.
But
was
we're
12.
not finished with the whole entire course.
Yeah, we did. We did those. Then we did that. Then we
Bye,
did
guys. No, it's not quite finished.
Ow.
Because I haven't graded you on this
Oh,
big thingy and the horseshoe thingy.
So
and this
remember
thing.
your numbers. 15, 12, and 16.
Okay, so on that thingy, I'm going to give you a 9 on the heart thingy. You get an 8. And you get a an 8.
Okay, so I got 25. You wait. What were you? So
23,
12.
23, 23.
Wait, what did she get for that?
She
Got a 12.
no on the rocky thing that I'm on right now. She got a yes. No, you got a 7.
No, she got 8.
Yeah, she got an 8.
So you got 20, 25, and what was her number?
She also got an 8.
8, and what was your number before? 15.
15.
So, and then now, you got 23. Number 23.
So I'm second, right?
Yes, and I'm first. And so I got 25, 23, and then you remember, what was hers? Oh, 20.
So and
28.
No, 20.
Guys, there's balls everywhere. I don't really, because it's coming out of this.
um
I really don't want it.
yeah, so everybody please go back and sit down on the bench.
I'm just trying to.
You can do that later.
Pick these. Okay.
Okay, now Misha put away the big slinky. Okay, so now for the thing that involves shoes.
The horseshoes.
Yeah, the horseshoes.
Stop playing. Okay, sit down. You're stuck on my bum. Don't say that in front of the camera.
Remember.
Toddlers watching this.
Okay, this is a 9.
She always gets 9s.
You get a 7, and you get a 9.
Okay, I got a 34. You got, wait, what was her number?
She got a 7.
So, 27, 39, and what was your number?
20.
Yours was, you were,
She had a 23 originally, then I gave her 9 more points.
Hey, and
tie, it's a tie. We both are 32.
Ooh.
Okay.
Tie, guys. Me and her tie.
Wait, no. Wait, I think I was 39.
Yeah, no, you were. I forget what you
I
were.
was 39. Yeah, I was 39. So, first, second, and third.
You're second place. Now, there is no medal for the first, second, and place. There's except for this. You need to pick up all these balls of them from the slide.
Bye, guys. Please give us a thumbs up.
Like, subscribe, and comment, and JoJo, and Question Master, and Brian Hall if you're watching. Please.
And the Davises, please. The Davises. The Davises,
Oh,
please.
Davises,
Yeah, please. Bye.